we packing all kinds of things and make sure all kinds of spare part is no problem. And here, this is cold goods breaking system can install on the folding good box machine, hamburger box machine, and some special order machine. Also, we can install because some special order machine, maybe you need the cold glue or the hot glue put on top of your product. Because this reason, after we install the cold goods breaking system, you can finish all kinds of product. If your budget is not enough, you can buy the 1 gun or 2 gun on the first time, and the other time you can buy the other gun. Total, you can control 6 cold glue gun, control the speed, control the data. Okay, and the bigger size, more size also can set. Right now, here is our free cold glue gun, 3 gun on here. Because this customer, he choose the 3 guns, we will use the water to testing the machine 48 hours and delivery to customer.